Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a simple cargo pants pocket. So for this pocket, I'll be making use of a 12-inch by a 12-inch fabric. Now you can choose to use a bigger fabric depending on the size of your pocket. Now the next step is to go ahead and mark half an inch on the four corners of this fabric like you see me do. Now this half an inch is going to serve as our seam allowance. I'll just go ahead and connect the lines like so. After connecting the lines, the next step is to find the midpoints of this fabric. Now to get the midpoint of this fabric, recall we are using a fabric that is 12-inch by 12-inch. So we are going to divide 12-inch by 2, which will give us 6 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark this. And then after marking this, I'll use a ruler to connect the lines. The next step is to come out by 1 inch here. Now you can choose to do this on the left side or you can choose to do this on the right side. But I'll be doing this on my right hand side. So I'll come out by 1 inch. I'm going to mark that. I'll do the same thing here and come out by 1 inch. Now the next step is from the edge of this fabric, you're going to come down by 3 inches and I'll mark it here. I'll be doing the same thing for the bottom part. I'm going to come up by 3 inches. Now after marking the 3 inches, I'm going to come out again by 1 inch because I'll be connecting that to this. And also do the same thing here. I'm going to come out by 1 inch. After doing that, I'll quickly connect the lines. The next step is to fold the fabric into two like this. Now after folding this, I'm going to be taking this to my machine and I'm going to stitch it down from this point to this point. I'll do the same thing for the lower end of this fabric and stitch from this point to this point. I've gone ahead to stitch this down like I showed you earlier. So I basically stitched from this point to this point where we have our 3-inch mark. So by the time you open the fabric to the right side, you'll be having something like this. So I'll quickly take this over and then press this, and also make sure to press seam allowance. I'll be pressing this as well. So after pressing this is what it looks like. For this part, after pressing down the seam allowance, I'll go ahead and fold this by 1 inch and I press this as well. So the next thing I'll do is to take this to my machine and stitch this down all the way to this part. So once I'm done with this, I'll bring this back so we can move on to the next step. I've gone ahead to stitch this down and this is basically what our pocket looks like. The next step is to determine the height of our pocket. I'll be coming up by 1.5 inch on the sides of this pocket. So on the right side, I'll just go ahead and mark 1.5 inch. On the bottom, I'll do the same thing, and on the left side as well. After marking this out, I'll go in with my ruler and then connect these lines. Exactly as you see me do in the video. So after connecting this, I'll take this over to the machine. I'll stitch this down to this point and stop there, and I'll stitch it to this point, and I'll be making that stitch using 1/4 inch. Okay, so let me quickly do that and bring this back so we can go on to the next step. I've gone ahead to stitch this down using 1/4 inch to this point, and this point like I told you I would do. The next step for this is to turn this over to the wrong side like so. Then you fold this is like the edge of the fabric. You're going to fold this to form some sort of triangle, making sure that the edge of each fabric are meeting at the same point, okay? So once you fold this like so, remember that the height of our pocket is 1.5 inch. So we're going to use our tape and measure out 1.5 inch. So making use of my tape, I'm going to measure 1.5 inch from the starting point, which is this. So from the starting point, I'm measuring 1.5 inch. I'll go ahead and mark this out. So after marking this, I'm going to connect this using a straight line. I'm not curving this. You're going to connect it using a straight line. Then I'll take this to my machine and sew from this point to this point on a straight line. So after doing that, I'm going to do the same thing for this other part of the fabric. I'll fold it like so, and then I'll take the measurement of 1.5 inch like you see. I'll mark this, and then I'm going to stitch this down on a straight line. So I've gone ahead to do the straight stitch here and here also. So turning this over to the right side, this is what our pocket looks like, okay? So I'm going to be making use of this red fabric. I've gone ahead to mark this. So let me go ahead and explain this. What I did was to take the measurements of my cargo pocket, the width of my cargo pocket. I got 6 inches, and that is what I'm marking out here, 6 inches. And this is the midpoint all the way here, okay? And then I'll now take the length of my pocket. So the length of my pocket is 8¾ and that is what I have here. I went ahead to rule out the line here. The next step is to place our pocket here, and then you can go ahead and use a pin to hold it in place, and then you take this over to your machine and stitch this down all the way to this point. You're going to be making use of 1/4 inch to make this stitch, okay? You'll stitch it from this point to this point. Once you're done, you do the same thing for this point. You're going to stitch this down all the way here. Once you're done with that, you do the same thing for this point and then stitch it down using 1/4 inch. So I'll quickly take this over to my machine and do the stitch, then bring it back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead to stitch my pockets on my fabric, okay? And this is exactly what it looks like. We're almost done with our cargo pocket. The next step is to cut out the flap for this. So I'll be making use of this piece of fabric. The width of this fabric is 6 inches plus 1 inch for seam allowance, that's 7 inch. And then the width on fold is 3 inches, okay? So I'll quickly take this to the machine and stitch this down, then bring it back and show you what it looks like. So we are done attaching our flap for our cargo pants pocket, and by the time you open this, this is basically what you have as your cargo pants pocket. It's quite easy, right? You can decide to add any accessory to this if you want to. So this is just how to make a simple cargo pants pocket. I hope you did find this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.